tener, tener,
have,
hacer, hacer,
do, make,
poder, poder,
can,
decir, decir,
say,
haber, haber,
have,
ir, ir,
go,
dar, dar,
give,
ver, ver,
see,
saber, saber,
know,
pasar, pasar,
walk by, pass,
deber, deber,
must, have to,
querer, querer,
want, love,
llegar, llegar,
arrive,
dejar, dejar,
leave,
llevar, llevar,
carry,
encontrar, encontrar,
find,
seguir, seguir,
follow,
poner, poner,
put,
quedarse, quedarse,
stay,
parecer, parecer,
seem,
hablar, hablar,
speak,
pensar, pensar,
think,
volver, volver,
return,
conocer, conocer,
know,
salir, salir,
go out,
realizar, realizar,
do, realize,
tomar, tomar,
take, drink,
tratar, tratar,
try, deal with,
contar, contar,
count, tell,
llamarse, llamarse,
call, name,
venir, venir,
come, arrive,
mirar, mirar,
see, look,
presentar, presentar,
present, show,
permitir, permitir,
allow,
esperar, esperar,
wait,
sentir, sentir,
feel,
vivir, vivir,
live,
buscar, buscar,
look for,
creer, creer,
believe,
crear, crear,
create,
perder, perder,
lose,
existir, existir,
exist,
considerar, considerar,
consider,
abrir, abrir,
open,
trabajar, trabajar,
work,
recibir, recibir,
receive,
mantener, mantener,
maintain,
explicar, explicar,
explain,
lograr, lograr,
achieve,
empezar, empezar,
begin,
recordar, recordar,
remember,
comenzar, comenzar,
start,
pedir, pedir,
ask for,
preguntar, preguntar,
ask,
producir, producir,
produce,
convertir, convertir,
convert, change,
entrar, entrar,
enter,
mostrar, mostrar,
show,
señalar, señalar,
point,
escribir, escribir,
write,
utilizar, utilizar,
use,
entender, entender,
understand,
terminar, terminar,
end,
ganar, ganar,
win, earn,
incluir, incluir,
include,
morir, morir,
die,
asegurar, asegurar,
ensure, secure,
ocurrir, ocurrir,
occur,
ofrecer, ofrecer,
offer,
jugar, jugar,
play,
gustar, gustar,
like,
escuchar, escuchar,
listen to,
sentar, sentar,
sit,
cambiar, cambiar,
change,
aparecer, aparecer,
appear,
acabar, acabar,
finish, end,
decidir, decidir,
decide,
resultar, resultar,
result, prove,
caer, caer,
fall,
desarrollar, desarrollar,
develop,
necesitar, necesitar,
need,
sacar, sacar,
remove,
establecer, establecer,
establish, set,
conseguir, conseguir,
get,
indicar, indicar,
indicate,
formar, formar,
form,
reconocer, reconocer,
recognize,
dirigir, dirigir,
lead,
servir, servir,
serve,
alcanzar, alcanzar,
reach,
intentar, intentar,
try,
Cumplir. Cumplir.
Accomplish.
Leer. Leer.
Read.
Obtener. Obtener.
Get.
Ayudar. Ayudar.
Help.
Usar. Usar.
Use.
Observar. Observar.
Observe.
Responder. Responder.
Answer.
I left a link to the full playlist in the description of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me.